Barnabus Bogg, Barnabus Bogg, Barnabus Bogg, Barnabus Bogg.
The Thunderstorm. It's a beautiful sunny day. Barnabus and Bea are going to the pond to feed the ducks. Are you ready to go and feed the ducks, Bea? Yay, ducks! I think you should take an umbrella with you. It looks like it's going to rain later. It's not going to rain, Mummy. It's so sunny outside. So sunny, Mummy. OK, well, just make sure you're home in time for lunch, please. I don't want to have to come looking for you both. We will be. See you later. Bye! Mr Bogg is outside fixing his boat. We're going to the pond to feed the ducks, Daddy. Would you like to join us?
I can't right now, I'm afraid, Barnabus. I'm fixing up my old boat. I'm hoping to get it back out on the water again before it rains later.
It's not going to rain, Daddy. It's so sunny. So sunny, Daddy.
Well, let's certainly hope not. Don't stray too far, you two.
We won't. Bye, Daddy! Walking to the ponds, Barnabus and Bea like to play a game. Their favourite is I Spy. I spy, with my little eye, something beginning with S. Sun? That's right, Bea. Well done.
Bea is very good at I Spy.
Tear the bread into small pieces so it's easy for the ducks to eat, Bea.
Barnabus is very good at helping his sister.
I hope we brought enough bread. The ducks are very hungry today. I've nearly finished all of mine. How much do you have left? All gone.
It looks like Bea has eaten all of her bread.
Oh, Bea! The bread was for the ducks to eat, not you. Oops! Quack, quack. Uh-oh! Mummy and Daddy were right. It is going to rain. Uh-oh! Quick, let's get under that tree over there. Quick!
Barnabus and Bea will have to wait until the rain stops before they can go home. But oh no, it looks like the pond has flooded.
Uh-oh, it looks like we're stuck up here, Bea. Uh-oh! We'll have to wait for the rain to stop before the water goes down again. I know, let's play I Spy. It's your turn to go first, Bea.
I spy with my little eye something beginning with D.
Duck?
Daddy!
Over here, you two! Quick, hop on! Mr Bogg has fixed his boat and has come to the rescue. Now, let's get you two home.
Daddy to the rescue!
Daddy, boat!
And it looks like the rain has finally stopped. Barnabus and Bea are heading home. Oh dear, you two are soaked. You'd better dry off before you catch a cold.
Achoo!